With party season just around the corner, it's time to get out those glasses and to get rid of that cloudiness and marks that you see streaking down the glass. To do this, you make a quick and easy cleaning solution. Take 1/4 cup of detergent, 1/2 cup of white vinegar, pour those together, and then just top up with approximately 3 glasses of water. Take the solution, just find yourself any small style container, drop it in, and then just roll the glass around inside. Notice how all the bubbles are around the casing. Let it drip dry, and then rinse clean with warm water. Drip dry as much liquid as you can out of the glass, and then cup it so you're cradling the glass in your palm. Take a tea towel and just wipe down the excess water, and carefully poke it through and twist around. Now, with a dry microfiber cloth, gently polish around the outside of the glass, again down the stem, round the bottom, and rub gently across the rim of the top. Now check that out, look how much that shines. Now let's move on to silverware to get rid of the tarnish and let it shine again. Take some alfoil and coat the bottom of the container. Sprinkle a lot of baking soda across the bottom, and take a few pinches of salt. And with some boiling hot water, pour it across and watch that sizzle. Take your silverware and drop it in, and if you need to, top it up with some more boiling water so it's all submerged, and again sprinkle on top some more baking soda. Let it sit for a while, but make sure it's always touching the aluminium foil, because that's what's the trick. And look at that shine. You can see your reflection.